Welcome to Quiz and Learn English. Today we'll learn simple A1 and A2 level sentences you can use in real life. I go to school.
I go to school.
I go to school every morning.
I go to school every morning.
I read a book.
I read a book.
I read a book before sleeping.
I read a book before sleeping.
We are in the class.
We are in the class.
We are in the class learning English.
We are in the class learning English.
She sings a song.
She sings a song.
She sings a song very well.
She sings a song very well.
He watches TV.
He watches TV.
He watches TV after dinner.
He watches TV after dinner.
She is my friend.
She is my friend.
She is my best friend from school.
She is my best friend from school.
I eat an apple.
I eat an apple.
I eat an apple every day.
I eat an apple every day.
The book is on the table.
The book is on the table.
The book is on the table near the lamp.
The book is on the table near the lamp.
I listen to music.
I listen to music.
I listen to music when I study.
I listen to music when I study.
We walk to the shop.
We walk to the shop.
We walk to the shop together.
We walk to the shop together.
I drink water.
I drink water.
I drink water after running.
I drink water after running.
She writes a letter.
She writes a letter.
She writes a letter to her friend.
She writes a letter to her friend.
He finishes his work.
He finishes his work.
He finishes his work in the evening.
He finishes his work in the evening.
She comes home.
She comes home.
She comes home late in the evening.
She comes home late in the evening.
I run in the park.
I run in the park.
I run in the park every morning.
I run in the park every morning.
They talk to each other.
They talk to each other.
They talk to each other in English.
They talk to each other in English.
She cooks food.
She cooks food.
She cooks food for her family.
She cooks food for her family.
She buys fruits.
She buys fruits.
She buys fruits from the market.
She buys fruits from the market.
I help my friend.
I help my friend.
I help my friend in homework.
I help my friend in homework.
She looks at me.
She looks at me.
She looks at me with a smile.
She looks at me with a smile.
She cleans the room.
She cleans the room.
She cleans the room every morning.
She cleans the room every morning.
They dance together.
They dance together.
They dance together at the party.
They dance together at the party.
I study English.
I study English.
I study English every evening.
I study English every evening.
I open the door.
I open the door.
I open the door slowly.
I open the door slowly.
She closes the window.
She closes the window.
She closes the window at night.
She closes the window at night.
He washes his hands.
He washes his hand.
He washes his hands before eating.
He washes his hand before eating. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.